Don't you guys hate the way Snapchat treated us? They gave us such a weird update. It ruins everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how you guys can download the old version of Snapchat. This is super easy, so be sure to stay tuned and check it out. So to download the old and beautiful version of Snapchat, all you have to do is head over to the link in the description. It's going to take you to next.tweakbox.com. If I can just show you that right there. You see? And once you're on this page, you go over to tweaked apps. This, you see, they're even showing the Snapchat logo. That means that they want people to use it. Yeah. So what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna go to tweaked apps, and from tweaked apps, you're gonna go over to Snapchat plus 2. I recommend using version 2 because it's a lot more stable. So I'm just gonna go here and hit install. So you hit install and it's gonna download. Snapchat is installing, so let's go Snapchat, you can do this. You can do this. So just let it install. Boom! That is Snapchat plus. Now, there's one thing. If you hit the icon, it's gonna show untrusted enterprise developer. Once it shows this, all you have to do is go over to settings, general, profiles and device management, that's all the way at the bottom, and you'll see Monster Lab Incorporated. I like that name, that's a good name. Okay, you just hit trust, and you hit trust once again. Now, you open up Snapchat, and you see it back in its original glory. Now, it says, oh, ads, okay. So, I don't see anything, I understand. Okay, so now all you have to do is log in. So I'm gonna log in and come back in a second. Okay, so I'm in Snapchat, and you won't believe it. Okay, wait, it says hey there. Nah. Anyway, so we're in Snapchat, and we're back to the beautiful old update. As you can see, these are my messages, these are stories, and the discover is all the way at the bottom. So let's just be grateful for what we get right now.